evening slash afternoon. I have no idea what time it is. But anyways, we are here at Epcot for two things. One, to check out the all-new World Celebration area. We are also here for something a little more important than that, and that is the all-new Luminous show debuting tonight. That is what we are here for. We're also going to see Nakai in Candlelight. Yes, I am plugging Nakai's Candlelight stuff. He's been doing that for how many years now?
3 or 4.
Yeah. Also, do one of you want to hold up the pamphlet?
Oh, yes.
We are going to do this. Yay! The Festival of the Holidays cookie stroll, and look at the little star! We're going to be doing that. We'll see just how much money we spend throughout that. If y'all enjoyed today's video.
Wait.
Yep, that. Do just that. All right, let's go have some fun. I should mention, with there being a brand new show tonight, it is busy. And according to this guy, people are already starting to camp out, which is pretty crazy because when Ben and I camped out for Happily Ever After, we waited maybe 2.5 hours. And mind you, it is only 4:22. Why anyone would want to camp out 4.5 hours for, well, I don't really.
Let's say Enchantment, people started camping out at 10:30 in the morning.
Yeah.
So.
No, yeah, but also I did wait 4.5 hours for Figment.
Oh my goodness, is that the line to get in?
No, I think that's the picture one.
Wait. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I got really nervous for a second, but it already feels weird given the Communicore Hall construction. I mean...
Where's the Fountain of Nations?
11?
The Communicore Hall construction going on right in the background.
It's like, oh, hi construction. It's fine. Everything's fine.
I don't really know where to start from here. Like, you guys can see all of that in there, right? Wait. Oh, you smell that Florida water?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
In-ish we go. I have no idea what is happening. So is this supposed to be the fountain? The Fountain of Nations?
Where the fountain was.
Darn. Massive RIP. Type F to pay respects after 4 years of there being no Fountain of Nations.
Yes.
Or no illuminations. It does look really nice. Again, very calm, very peaceful.
A lot of seating area.
Yeah, I feel like that's something that they were probably aiming for with this. Epcot isn't really known for having that much seating.
That's true.
There's at least
more
in the
tables, so less trash cans.
But also in the last few years, the most we got was connections. I would assume these are lights.
Yeah, they gotta be.
Oh, wonder what it'll look like at night then.
Oh yeah, there's a lot of people in line to get a picture with the statue.
Oh yeah, look at that. That is actually a really cool statue. Look at this view from right here. Oh my gosh, you see the Christmas tree from here. When was the last time we could see a Christmas tree from here? Although I'm not sure how I feel about the rust.
I think it's supposed to look like that.
I don't know, just a little gimmick.
So far, I'm actually impressed. I know it doesn't look like much, but I like it. I just like how calm and peaceful it is. Like, imagine coming here on a quiet day.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. It's gonna be so enjoyable now.
I'm excited.
Oh my gosh, it's Pluto! Pluto just walking around.
Yes, we're
Woo!
tonight! Yes, all new fireworks tonight. I hope you're gonna say yes.
Okay, Allie, for inclusion's sake, you want to introduce this one?
L'chaim.
What are we getting here?
We are getting the black and white cookie and maybe pastrami and rye if I can convince Chris.
And
Get it.
we're about to get dinner.
Yeah, but it still sounds delicious.
It's delicious.
Wowzers. Oh yeah, you weren't kidding.
Little facts about black and white cookies. They're supposed to be half
and-
chocolate, half vanilla.
That's
what the heck is this?
That's
What is
2/3 vanilla and 1/3
Let's
chocolate.
be real, these aren't cookies, these are eggs.
Cheers, I guess. I don't know. How do you guys normally eat these? You just eat them?
Yeah, just take a bite.
Yeah.
Okay. Cheers
Cheers.
to inclusion.
Two.
Cookie egg.
Well, aside from that, and I hope y'all did hear that, it's not bad. It could be worse, could be better.
It's not bad. The problem is it's plant-based, so you're still gonna have that like chemical-y taste.
You can tell the fact that it's just been frosted in chocolate, then just drizzled with vanilla frosting. Like, can you see the layer? Yeah. In 3D. Oh my gosh, we love Muppet Vision. But in all seriousness, for a $3 cookie,
It's good.
it's fine.
Children, who are we waiting for?
The star of the show.
Oh my gosh. Why isn't he the one doing the whole processional?
Right? That's what I want to know.
I think he's more famous than John Stamos.
Absolutely.
In all seriousness, will I be plugging the Candlelight Processional and telling all of you to go see it just to see Nakai? Yeah, absolutely.
Well, I think we pretty much found our spot for Luminous. Pretty much in between the Italy and Germany area. It's a good spot. The only thing I could see being an issue is the lamp post right here. But even then, the fireworks shoot up high enough to where it's not going to be that much of an obstruction. And plus, there aren't any screens. At least I don't think there will be. So hopefully it won't be that bad. But also, when does the show start?
9:30.
And what time is it?
Not 9:30.
34.
I mean, I waited this long for Happily Ever After.
Yeah, but that was a really, really big area called Main Street.
Yeah, and it's also Happily Ever After.
Correct.
I'm excited for this show. I know I'm gonna love this show more than Epcot Forever. Oh, Epcot Forever's trash?
Trash.
I thought we were all in universal agreement on that.
Yes.
2 hours later.
Just to get an idea of the weather, it is about 58 degrees.
It's also by the water, so it's cold.
Yeah, how do you think
I'm very cold right now.
How do you think I feel growing up near multiple bodies of water?
Oh, I know.
Honestly, I don't really know what to think right now. I feel, well, obviously, yeah, I'm cold.
He's all goose pimply.
Am I?
A little bit.
Yeah. Is it that bad?
Yeah.
Ugh. It's also safe to say that the entire area is really starting to fill up. I'm just hoping that these 2 hours will pay off.
Please, don't let it be another enchantment, please.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at this! Look at this! Superstar!
Oh boy.
Welcome to the Great Gathering.
Welcome.
Welcome. Bienvenue. Marhaba.
Yokoso.
Welcome.
Benvenuti. Willkommen.
Karibu.
欢迎
Willkommen.
Bienvenidos. Welcome.
Everyone on this earth is part of the great symphony of us. Each of us a unique instrument, playing harmony to one another. And even though we are all playing different parts, it's our unified heartbeat that connects us, reminding us that we are more alike than we are different. A rhapsody of rhythms that unites us and connects us through commonalities of the heart. Come, find your place in the great symphony of us.
Can you hear the sound of a world in motion? The wind through the trees, the tides of the ocean. Can you feel the beat of a million hearts all in time, like the sound of music?
When we are born, we come into this world a raw noise. Cradled in tenderness, we tune ourselves to the world around us.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. 可以呼唤我到你的身边 Je serai là avec toi. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. Stay on, just time for you seem so strong. My arms warming you and your warm. This bond between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you lie. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and
We begin to understand what our instrument can do. We find our voice and add it to the ensemble of our ancestors, our family, nuestra familia. We begin to recognize the music in others, trading notes and improvising. Music becomes play. Sometimes we find another, and our melodies blend. And suddenly, with the hum of our heartstrings, our world becomes a duet.
You're in my arms, and all the world is calm. The music playing on for only two. So close So close and still so far.
We find that the melodies we cherish are gone. And for a moment, we are playing alone.
When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. And when she was happy, so was I. When she loved, recuérdame. When somebody loved me, everything was beautiful. Every hour spent together lives within my heart. Through the sun, we had each other, and that was all. Just she and I together, like it was meant to be. When she loved me.
But we are never truly alone. Sing out so others can hear you. The music we make echoes back at us in chorus, in concert, in symphony. Together, our voices can illuminate the world. If we only listen closely for the sounds of each other.
Somehow
in the great symphony of us.
I want your reaction.
That was the best Epcot show I've ever seen in my life. And that's better than Happily Ever After.
Oh my God! What did I just watch? Like,
It's funny because I was watching a TikTok of a different pyro thing, and they used it in the show.
Oh my goodness. This might be my new favorite fireworks show, hands down. Like, I know I said a little bit ago about what my favorite fireworks show is, and this might top that. Like, oh my.
Hollow Wishes still my favorite, but this is what should have replaced Illuminations from the beginning.
Yes, this is definitely Epcot's best show. I will say that right now. Yes, I do still miss Illuminations, but this, oh my goodness, the perfect successor. This is getting an infinity out of 10. I will definitely be back to watch this show again. And mind you, this show has some forms of pyro that you will have never ever seen before. They definitely went all out for this show. Disney, you guys excelled in every way, shape, and form with this show. Absolute hats off to you guys. Worth the 2 hours?
Oh my God,
Yeah.
10 out of 10.
It was.
That is Illuminations 2.0.
I am literally speechless right now. I don't know what to say. And they just said, wait till you see World of Color. That's all I can think about right now.
There's no pyro, but still, like,
No, like, this is literally World of Color and Harmonious put together. It's incredible.
Oh my God, just look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness, I love it.
This show is literally everything I could have ever wanted and more. This is gonna be the most inappropriate thing I say. This show is literally World of Color and every Epcot show on crack.
Yeah.
If all three of those shows had a baby, this is that baby on crack. So are we gonna have to try and watch the show again next week?
Well, we're coming from Brendan Fraser.
Tomorrow and the
And
next
the next
day.
day.
And the next day, and the next day. Oh, look at the floor. Everyone getting all antsy-pantsy about the floor. It is actually really cool though. Follow the green lit road. Looking at it in person, it looks really cool. I like it. I just really wish there was a proper fountain in the middle.
Like, it needs something.
Yeah, it really does.
Like that, and that was the thing, is like the Fountain of Nations is here because of World Showcase.
Yeah.
At least leave a fountain here.
All in all, I am definitely impressed with World Celebration. Yeah, like I know the camera isn't really picking up the color all that well, but from my eyes, from the human eye, it looks great.
Well, my beauties, I hope y'all enjoyed this nice little vlog, checking out World Celebration and of course the new Luminous show. We loved it.
We loved it.
It was
We did.
incredible. It was
100%.
literally everything we could have ever wanted.
Oh, yes.
Now, as always, if y'all enjoyed the vlog,
Wait.
yep, like, subscribe, ring that bell, all that jazz. Alrighty.
Ding ding.
Alrighty, my beauties. I love y'all. Take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Swipe that way for me.